Welcome back everybody. Here I'm just teaching you some more things in PHP. So let's just open the PHP. I was just thinking before making another form or something, I should teach you how to send the request, at least the get method by using the get method, and how to receive them. Okay. So here I'm just deleting this PHP coding, and actually I'm just simply making the a tag, okay, to sending. Now before that, I have to open the main folder, the PHP, the htdocs and PHP folder. So I'm just opening that here. This is the page. It has only 2 pages, by the way, but I'm just creating a new page here in this folder. Okay, here I'm just creating another page, saving it in this page, and here I'm just typing receive.php. Okay, this page will be the receiver. So by the way, here in the index.php I'm just typing something. Okay, the a tag in here inside this, I'm just sending the request to the receive.php. Okay, here I'm just typing simply some simple words. I'm just going to the browser and checking that by refreshing. Now there isn't anything, obviously, because I didn't type anything here in for the a tag. Here I'm just typing click to go. Okay, save it and just check the browser. Now click to go, and now I'm on the receive.php, and as you can see that ASD. Okay, this is the receive.php page. So let's just get back to the index.php, and now I'm on the index.php, and this is the click to go button, by the way. So actually what I'm just doing here, I'm creating some variables and sending them to the receive.php page. How to create a variable in the URL? After the path of the second page, or the page where you just want to send your request, just add a question mark in this way. Okay, and after the question mark, just type the name of the variable. Okay, I'm just showing you the example of a variable here. Now how we create a variable, we just put a $sign, and then we just type var1, and then we put is equals to, and then the value, for example, yes. Okay, I'm just typing the var1's value as yes. So here I'm just typing var1. Okay, after the question mark, this is our variable var1, and then just put an is equal to sign. Okay, same like that, but don't put any space, okay, here, because this is a URL, and we should not put any kind of space before the is equals to or after the is equals to, and then just type the value. So now the thing is that we are inside the double quotes, so we don't need to use the single quotes here, just directly use the yes. Okay, we're already in some kind of codes. So in this way, I just created the URL. I just created the variable in the URL, actually the get URL. Okay, these are called the get URLs as well. Don't need to mention this semicolon or something. So here I'm just going to the browser and refreshing that. Now when I just click to go, now I am on the receive.php page, and here question mark and the var1 is equals to yes. So I'm on the receive.php page, and obviously I just created the var1 yes variable on the index.php. You can see here I just created this variable on the index.php, but now if I just go to the browser again, so this is on the receive.php's URL. It means I can get this variable on the body as well. How I can do this, I'm just going to the notepad here in the receive.php. So by the way, to receive any coding or any actually get variable, simply create the variable get. Yeah, get. Now here just put the variable name var1, and here I'm just typing echo and pressing space. Okay, I'm just typing echo and get. This is the super global array, the dollar and the underscore sign and capital get, and then two square brackets and the name of the variable. Okay, the name of the variable is var1, so I'm just making this name. Now I'm just going to the browser again and going back and refreshing that again, and I'm just clicking on the click to go, and here this is yes. Okay, simply I'm just getting the variable, the value of the variable is yes. For example, I'm just going to back again, refreshing that. Now here I'm just typing here, instead of yes, I'm just typing I got it. Save it. I'm just putting some spaces, which is actually not a good way, but by the way I'm just doing it. Refresh that. Now click to go, and here I got it. Okay, I just send this I got it to from the index.php. You can see now why I just said that don't put any type of space here in the URL. That's why you can see some kind of percent and 20. This is the URL coding actually. So by the way, in this way we can send and receive the get request, and we can't receive the post request. In this way actually we can't send the post data through the URL, just because this is visible here. I got it. You can see that. For example, I just passed some kind of password here. Okay, then everyone can see the password here on the URL. So this is not a good way, by the way. One thing more I just want to teach you here. What actually I just want to teach you. The thing is, if you just create some more variables, first of all delete that variable. There isn't any need to get that variable. Here I'm just typing I got it. Okay, then if you just want to create multiple variables in the URL, so how to do that? Now for the second URL, actually for the second variable, we don't need to type the question mark again. The question mark is only for the first ever variable. Close that, Cortana. I don't like this every time, by the way. Now the question mark is it is coming again. Why? By the way, the question mark is actually only for the first ever variable. For the second variable, we just have to put this sign, asterisk sign. Okay, and then what to do? Just simply type another variable. The mean is that the var1 I got it, and the var2 equals to okay, and anything you can type whatever you just want. If you just want to add some more variables, just use end. Okay, we can use thousand of variables in the we can actually create thousand of variables in the URL by using the end sign at the start of the variable to declare that we are just creating the variable, not the value. So here this is var3 or any other type if you just want. So here I'm just typing 4. Okay, now I'm just adding var4, okay, equal to 5. Okay, I just want to do some more interesting things there. So let's just go to the receive.php, and here I'm just pressing an enter and typing echo and get not in this way actually, get okay var2, and the thing is actually just put the br and copy that br and paste it here in the another brs in here, and I'll just duplicate this, and I'm just typing var3 var4 and save it and go to the browser. Okay, just get back because there isn't any other variable, so just get back and refresh that again, and now I got another data. When I just click here, now you can see that I got it. Okay, 4 5. The mean is that the var1, the var2, the var3 and the var4. Okay, one thing more I just want to clear you why I just made the variables the var3 and var4, and why I just put it the integers value is because I just want you to show that we can do plus and minus or multiply, whatever I just want we can do with the get variable. Here I'm just typing var3 again and adding a plus sign and then the var4. Okay, now just put the semicolon and save that and just go to the browser and check that. Now you can see that this is 9. Why this is 9? 4 plus 5 is 9. If I just mention the asterisk instead of the plus sign, so what will happen actually? Asterisk, you know that it can just multiply the value. Now 4 5 is 20, so I'm just getting the 20. Okay, there isn't any 20 mentioned in the URL, but here it is, just because I just actually multiplied the value of var3 and var4. So I hope you understood how to send and receive the request from any page to any other page, and how actually get them, and how to perform any mathematical action or any other thing with that variables, the get variables. We will learn some more things in next class, so stay tuned and goodbye.